Hoza. Good evening. So today I'm doing it. Just wait.
Yeah, I'm a bad boy for real, interested in local lifestyle.
Yeah. So wait and see. So like this is a lawyer. This among the celebration, like slaughtering the chicken is a big thing. So like today I'm the kitchen master. Just wait and see. Do you fear? This is what hot water. I need to cut the neck. To cut the neck. Cutting the neck, man. Just wait there and watch up this tree. Shit, baba. This camera. Yeah, that way. I don't know if you are seeing here. Look here. I'm doing the shit. Wait there. We are filming again. This is the head. Wet in the hot water. Look here. Yeah, I'm still filming. I'm doing two tasks. Yeah? The head is, I have already chopped the head off. Man, this is a Luya celebration. After here we are doing ugali and this stuff. You know about the mushereka things. You should watch my my video, man. Wait and see. Then we are doing this stuff. Yeah, that is it. Nice up. Wait there to see the scenes. The head, come here, man. Come here, baby. Yeah, you start by removing this. Yeah, this is the back of the chicken. I hunt chicken. I'm a bounty hunter, you know. If you've watched my other vlogs, you could see there's a place I was catching like 10 hens. Then I was saying like I'm a bounty hunter, you know. Yes, I'm a bounty hunter. This is the head. We are preparing the head this way, man. After here, I'm going to roast over the fire. Wait there, man. This thing is so useful in this ritual, the banana stuff. This is it, man. So like I wanna roast it on fire. Let me remove this stuff here. You have seen the process, man. Ladies, don't fear the stuff. Many ladies don't do it. Should be fearless. So like the next phase is doing this leg. Like you remove this. There's another layer. Don't know if you see this. Like you remove it this way. Yeah, this thing it's not fine. Then I do it this other leg. This is a village. Yeah, that is it. The last phase. That style is called kifo cha mende, man. Kifo cha mende. Anyway, that was it. So I'm to take this thing like this into the house kwa zizi la ng'ombe. I wanna untie there, then take it. If you haven't seen the videos that I was taking it out, doing the stuffs, yeah, the chances here, just scroll to my long videos, other videos, you're gonna see I was doing tasks, yeah, getting the water from the well, yeah, removing the sheet, yeah, you know, yeah, that is it. Goodbye, guys. Let me flip to the side. Goodbye, guys. Let's meet in another video. We're gonna link later. That was my task of the day. This is a bad boy doing it.